we're going to talk about the basics of searching using the Google Toolbar or the Google homepage because the rules are the same. It's important that you learn the basics because it'll also help you identify the information much faster and reduce the amount of returns you get in your searching. For example, if I'm going to do a search on dogs, there's 187 million pages returned. That's a lot of information. So it's important for you to be specific when you're searching. For example, let's assume I'm looking for dogs for sale. Well, I have just a little over 3.5 million pages, so that's a lot less. But perhaps it's not specific enough. So let's do something different. What's nice about Google is that you can include or exclude words in your search. So I want to include Labrador Retrievers. So it's important to have a space and then add the plus sign. And let's assume I would like to search on Labrador Retrievers. I'm going to put a typo here on purpose, misspell that so you see what happens. Let's click on go. Fortunately, Google is smart enough to say, hey, I think you may have a typo here. It's not saying that specifically, but it's saying, did you mean? Well, in fact, I did mean that. So let's click on that link. And now I have less results, 942,000 pages. That's a lot less. Let me show you something else. I searched on dogs for sale and include Labrador Retrievers. So it has to have that in it. I can also exclude Labrador Retrievers by putting a minus sign in. Once again, it's important that you put a space in between that. If I didn't have the space, it would think it'd be sale-Labrador Retrievers. So put the space there and go, and you'll see I even have less results, 132,000 pages in total. So by adding the plus reminding sign to include or exclude certain words, you can really limit the amount of information you get back and hopefully identify the information you're looking for much faster. I'm going to put this in Wiki. And the reason I'm putting that in is I want to show you the I feel lucky button. Well, first of all, let's click on the enter key. And you can see I received plenty of results for the term wiki. By using the I feel lucky button, it will return that #1 page in your results. It will go directly to that website. So let's do that. I feel lucky. And you'll see it'll automatically open page #1 in my search results, which is Wikipedia. If you're not familiar with it, it's a great online free encyclopedia. I could also put wiki. Now, do you think the search results will be different? Let's find out. And of course, putting the search criteria here or here is the same. Look at that. This is still the #1. The point being is that when you search in Google, it's not case sensitive. So I could have this all uppercase, all lowercase, a mixture of uppercase, lowercase. It doesn't matter to Google because it doesn't identify information like that. You can also search for specific phrases. Let's say I want to search on the road again. So it will actually return results with that specific phrase because I put it in quotes. You can see I have a little over 3 million pages returned. Let's remove the quotes. Wow, because that's not a specific and I have over 13 million pages. So just by following these basic rules, you can identify your information a lot quicker just by focusing on a few things when using Google search. In a different video, we'll actually do some training on advanced searching using Google. See you soon.